At Google, we know that science and technology can change the world. So join us on a journey to Brazil to explore 3 of the technologies that we're backing to clean up the atmosphere by eliminating the greenhouse gases that are driving warming. We need all of these technologies and more to start restoring the atmosphere today and eventually to bring our planet back into balance.
At the beginning, nobody in Brazil understood. Everybody was asking us, well, you're crazy, you're gonna make energy from waste. What are you doing?
Hundreds of trucks will be bringing waste in from the surrounding area, putting it in here, and over 2 years, we'll go from this massive open space, it will fill up to look something like that?
That's correct, yeah.
That's amazing.
Methane is very important for climate change nowadays because it has a much higher global warming potential than CO2. And also, it is considered a superpollutant because of this global warming potential it has. As soon as this molecule of methane enters our facilities, our goal is to oxidize or destroy this molecule.
Would you say that Brazil is one of the best places in the world to eliminate a lot of methane?
Brazil has the opportunity to do it. It has the willingness, the technology, and the people to do it.
We think that reforestation is important because it's the thing that can remove the most carbon from the atmosphere today. The Brazilian Amazon is larger than India. It's a huge landmass, and unfortunately, it's already been 20% deforested. That's an area the size of Germany.
What sounds amazing to me is not only are you planting new forests, you're using seeds from the Amazon to optimize Amazonian trees to plant where the Amazon used to be.
Brazil's already the world's largest exporter of a lot of stuff, beef, soy, etc. And we think that it can also be the world's largest exporter of carbon removal.
How do you go about removing carbon at Terradot?
We use rocks. We use this natural process by which rocks capture carbon. We accelerate it, and then we use our science and technology to optimize that process and measure it really well.
This soil might remove carbon in one way, but soil from a different farm just over the hill might remove it differently.
Indeed, so the details of the soil can have a big impact on how fast the rocks are weathering and then the efficiency of carbon removal.
In the same way that Google mapped kind of everything on the surface of the planet, we're trying to map everything below the surface of the planet.
How would you respond to someone who thinks that enhanced rock weathering is a moonshot?
I think we have so much to learn from nature, and it's pointing us in a certain direction that I think, moonshot or not, it should work.